Hey guys, so I'm back and it is time to unbox our Stitch Fix for the month of July. For those of you who are wondering, I bit the bullet. I finally canceled Nadine West, so there will not be a Nadine West no longer. I am looking into doing alternative subscription box unboxings. I have a couple on my list. I am looking into CauseBox, but they are having some issues right now as far as availability. I really wanted their summer box, but apparently that sold out very, very fast. So I'm thinking about CauseBox because that's something that looks interesting to me. I'm also looking at some like cat subscription boxes. I don't know, we'll see. And there's a couple others, Mint Mongoose, because I really liked the jewelry sometimes from Nadine West, and I like Mint Mongoose, and I like a lot of what I've seen on reviews of Mint Mongoose. So if you guys have any suggestions or things to say about some of the boxes I've mentioned, please comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I'm interested to know. So anyways, back to this box that I have right here. So I did make a request for some new summer sandals because my favorite flip-flops broke, and I do want some more of a strappy type of sandal, some more of like, it's more of like on the go. I can do a lot of things in them sandal, maybe less flip-flop because they have some issues as far as being able to wear them everywhere, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, I'm sorry. Basically, I want something that's going to work more as an all-purpose sandal. Hi. Do you want to say hi? Okay, come here. No? Oh, okay. That's fine. Thought you loved me. Clean your bowl. Okay. Anyways, words. I asked for some sandals. We'll see what my stylist sent me. And then I decided, I had committed to Monique last time. I actually decided to let them choose again just because I wasn't super thrilled about some of the things that got sent last month. So we'll see. Let's dive on in. So for those of you who aren't aware what Stitch Fix is, it is a monthly clothing styling subscription service. I think I said all those words in the right order, but basically you fill out a style profile about what you like, what you don't like, you know, your measurements, and you don't have to be super specific. So for example, I don't actually know like what my waist size is. I know I'm like between an 8 and a 10 as far as like pants go, and your stylist will kind of try and figure it out. I've also put things like I'm long-waisted, I'm a little bit curvy. So either way, you fill out all of these things, talk about what you like and what you don't like, and you get paired up with a stylist, and they send you 5 items every month. And then if you keep all 5, there's a 25% discount. There is a $20 styling fee every month, but if you keep anything, that $20 gets automatically deducted from whatever you decide to keep. And then there is Style Pass, I believe it's called. I'm looking into possibly doing that, where you do have the option of actually getting clothes more often. You just pay $50 for the entire year. So maybe. Apparently my child is just gonna be very chatty, but won't actually let me have her say hi to you for this entire video, so I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and dive on in. Oh, I guess I didn't mention, if you don't wanna keep anything, they do send you a prepaid mailer to send anything back that you don't like. So there's that. So let's look at our envelope. A little damaged again, but it's fine. I'm pretty laid back. They send you a style card. With a little note from your stylist. Child, let me just show you off to the people. The people want to see you. She says no. Anyways, there's a card. And it includes all of your items and how they suggest that you style them, as well as a note from your stylist. So off the top of my head, the first thing I noticed, I went to see if I got a different stylist or if they paired me up with the same stylist, and I actually have a new stylist, and his name is Tim. So that's interesting. It says, hey there, Amanda, happy Fix Day. I'm excited to show you the assortment of cute pieces I've selected for you. Thanks for making a specific request so that I could look for you what you specifically want. As requested, I've included shorts and strappy neutral summer sandals. The white couture frayed hem denim short by STS Blue looks super cute with this Bixby striped tie front top. That was a mouthful. White shorts are a spring-summer staple, but sometimes they do show visible panty lines, so you might want to try them with seamless underwear. They work great for me in at least sometimes eliminating VPL. You can shop our panties via extras if you're interested. Next, try pairing the Cosmic Blue Love Distress shorts with the Kaylee 1 shoulder top from your last fix. Add the Mia sandals to anything for an instant outfit. XOXO Tim. Okay. I'm pretty excited about everything so far that I see in this, so let's show you guys. And here is also the invoice of everything and how much it costs. I'm gonna look at that last because I don't wanna know how much things cost. I am the type of person that's like, get me everything as cheap as possible because that's just, I'm all about bargain hunting. I don't wanna pay too much for something that I don't think it's worth it. That's one of my issues with Nadine West is that especially there towards the last couple of months, their prices kept steadily increasing, but the quality of their product was not improving, which I didn't mind it when it was pretty cheap, but it was starting to like low-key get into the ranges on this like cheaper items you can get from Stitch Fix, and I just wasn't okay with that. So we're gonna look at, this is our bundle. They used some sort, it's not the normal white tissue paper, it's more of like a, I don't know, like a packing type paper. And then I also looks like I have some sort of bag, which I think this is what the sandals are in. So this is what I'm gonna pull out first for the sandals, because that's, I'm very excited about. So this is the Mia sandal. These look pretty, you know, basic, pretty plain, but it's the type of sandal you can probably wear with just about everything. I do like that cute little tortoiseshell detail on the buckle. That's pretty cute. They do have a little bit of cushion to them, so I could wear them potentially all day long if I so desired. So I will try these on after I look at everything else that I was sent. Bundle, and this looks like the dress that I saw on that card, and it looks super cute. I kind of look super great in red, I'm not gonna lie. That's not me being vain, I'm just stating a fact. So here is the dress. I love the strap detail on it. I am maybe mildly worried about the length of it, but we will see because I do got booty. But we'll just have to see how this works, and it's also very soft. I think it has the potential to be a very comfortable dress. The next item I see is the top he sent me, which it is like a 3/4 sleeve top. I'm not about that for the summer for the most part, but I ain't against it. It is very lightweight. I do think I could probably roll up those sleeves if I so desired, so we'll see. It's a very cute, like, almost beachy cover-up slash I could wear this in the spring and the fall, so that would be nice, but it's gonna be hot here in Texas for a good long while, so we'll see about that. I see a pair of, not navy green, what's the word? Forest green, is that the right word? I see a pair of shorts. They do look like they might be just a tad bit too big, but that could also just be me underestimating my booty. So we'll have to try those on. And then lastly, I see a second pair of shorts in white. And these are the ones who talked about the panty lines and everything. So we'll just have to see about that, but they do look cute. And they do look like they're a good length. So without further ado, let's try this stuff on. Okay, so here's the dress, which I'll pan down here in a minute to show you the bottom and also to show you the shoes. Also, don't judge me, I do have some like artwork that's just laying on the wall behind here. I'm finally getting around to putting some stuff up on the walls in my studio. I just didn't do it in time for this video. So anyways, here's the top. It fits really well up here. And then I really love this stripey, it's not striped, it's strappy. That's the word I'm looking for. The strappy detail in the back. And I'll pan down here in a second. So here's the bottom. It is not too short. It is like the perfect length. Also, just completely disregard how I have ugly tan lines and bug bites and scratches. I work outside for like 11 hours a day. So yeah, I get bug bites and all sorts of good stuff. The sandals, I can't decide if I just need a size down or if they're just not quite my style. I'm like borderline wide foot on like this part, if that makes sense. And like if I put my feet where they're supposed to sit, they like, it's awkward looking. It's a little hard to tell maybe from that camera angle, but me looking down, like I want them to fit like this. But then if I make them fit like that, then there's too much looseness back in the strap over here. I don't know, I might try to size down. They're a cute sandal, I'm just not quite sure they're my style. So we'll have to see if I have the ability to switch out a size or not for them. I'm gonna go try on the next thing. This is for those of you who've been wanting to see Sophie, since she was hovering and hollering all through our video earlier. I decided to pick her up. I know, she's hating it, but look at how cute she is. Okay. So this is my attempt at doing a voiceover. Please bear with me. Anyways, the top, so you can tell I rolled up the sleeves on the top. I wasn't a super huge fan of them where the sleeves naturally rested on the forearm. Still not a super huge fan of the top, and it's also a little wrinkly, which, I mean, obviously you can fix that with like, you know, the wrinkle remover spray, or just making sure you actually like hang it up as soon as it comes out of the dryer. But again, not super big into my style. Love these shorts, super comfy. I love everything about them. Point blank, that's it. So this is my voiceover for the white shorts, which I did pair with the black top that Tim suggested I do. This is the black top that I got actually in last month's Stitch Fix, and I hate in this duo right here. It is super cute. The shorts, the length I was concerned about, but it's not an issue, and I didn't have any issues with the visible panty lines like Tim was concerned about. So yeah, these shorts I think are keepers. Okay, so Mike had to take a work call out of the blue, and it wasn't going to work out sound-wise. You might have watched, I tried to attempt to film one time while he was taking a work call, but our house isn't that big. So this is why I'm in the bathroom, and this might be a horrible idea, and it might be super echoey, but we're going to try it anyway. And I'm going to attempt to do some voiceovers for some of the outfits I couldn't quite explain in the moment. So welcome to our bathroom. So let's go over this invoice. So first off, before I go into the prices, I was looking at this and I was really confused because I had a $25 credit and I could not figure out why I had a $25 credit. So I logged on to the app and I realized someone actually used my referral link, and then I almost cried because that's the type of person I am. So I just want to first off give a huge shout out to Carolyn for using my referral link. It means the world to me. I don't film these videos in order to get any sort of perks or anything. This is just, I enjoy filming these videos for other people because I love watching these videos. I love seeing what all you guys get in your different subscription boxes. I'm actually like tearing up a little bit. Excuse me, just again, I'm a mess. But yeah, so thank you so much for using my referral code. It means the world to me. Now let's get into this invoice. So the white shorts that I just finished trying on, those were $45. And sorry, I just got a message on my phone. But anyway, yeah, the white shorts are $45, a little bit on the pricier side, but I do need a new pair of white shorts because all my other ones are too small because I got a little chunky, I got a little curvy. So those will most likely be a keep. I really like the shorts. The yellow tie front top was $42. Not my favorite thing in the world. I do understand Stitch Fix is, you know, they try to get you a little bit out of your comfort zone, maybe out of your normal style patterns. I liked the idea of it. Just not quite my style. We'll most likely be returning it. The Lindley 2-band sandal, that was $49. Again, so here's my thing. I like super strappy sandals, but I think they're kind of going out of style. I think that's a possibility. I think the sandals with all the fun straps are not going to be a thing coming forward, which makes sense. Which makes sense because styles change. So I do think the sandals Tim sent me are, you know, what is currently in style. I'm just not super huge fan of them. I can't decide if I should just try to switch them for a smaller size, or if I should just continue to ask for different types of sandals. They're not my favorite, so I'll probably just be returning them, to be honest. The red dress was $48. Now, those of you who have been watching my Stitch Fix videos for a while might be aware that I already have a red floral print dress that I got sent a couple months ago. And to that I say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I love both of those dresses, and here in Texas summer, it gets too damn hot. It is hot all the time, and I am all about being given any excuse to not wear pants. So that dress is a keeper, and it was also super soft and super comfortable. So thank you, Tim. I don't know if he watches this. I didn't let Stitch Fix know that I filmed these because I wanted to have a completely honest review, and I didn't want to have any sort of bias as to, you know, whether about my opinions about what I like and what I don't like. And I'm afraid if I let my stylist know, hey, here's my YouTube channel, come watch my Stitch Fix videos, that I feel like I might be like persuaded one way or the other. I don't know. I know some YouTubers do that. They like give their stylist their YouTube channel information and let them know, but I don't know how I feel about that yet. Anyways, and then lastly, the olive colored shorts, as they are called, I called them a forest green earlier. Those are $58, which a little bit on the pricier side, but thanks to that $25 credit, I think I'm gonna keep them because those shorts are super comfy. And I know earlier I was like, I don't know if I'm just, you know, overrating my juiciness, but they fit perfectly. So this is just my life now. I'm just getting juicy. Some people call it fat. I call it juicy. Anyways, so all of that put together is $242. If I were to keep all 5 of those items, I get a 25% discount of $60.50, which would make the new subtotal $181.50. Minus the $25 credit I got because someone used my referral link, and then another $20 credit for my styling fee that I automatically get reimbursed if I keep anything. The new subtotal is $136.50. So here's my thing. That is not that bad for 5 items. But again, I don't want to keep things I'm not super thrilled with. So I'm actually thinking about starting a Poshmark. Is that a thing you guys would be interested in for selling the things that I'm just not super thrilled about, but it doesn't make sense for me to return and pay full price for some of these items? Let me know about down below how you feel about that, how you feel about Poshmark. You know, I would just be trying to like not overclutter my closet with anything that I'm not actually going to wear, and it just makes sense to get a cheaper price on the things I do like for my Stitch Fixes or other subscription boxes I might be trying here soon. So anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, consider doing all the things that the YouTube algorithm suggests, such as liking and sharing and subscribing and notification bells and all that jazz. And if you want to make me cry, use my referral code. Again, thanks so much for watching, guys, and stay safe out there.